Looking for a mechanical keyboard that keeps up with your fastest moves and sharpest typing? This anti-ghosting mechanical keyboard delivers exactly that. Every keypress is registered independently, so you never miss a beat during intense gaming sessions or heavy typing tasks. Whether you're a gamer chasing precision, a programmer coding late into the night, or a writer pounding out deadlines, this keyboard responds instantly with no ghosting interference. What sets this keyboard apart? It boasts 21 vibrant LED backlit modes, allowing you to customize your lighting experience to match your mood or game environment. From subtle glows to dynamic RGB effects, you control the intensity and style with simple key combinations. Plus, it features mechanical blue switches that offer a satisfying clicky sound and tactile feedback, similar to the renowned Cherry MX switches. Tested for durability with over 50 million keystrokes, these switches require just the right amount of force, 60 grams on average, to deliver a responsive and comfortable typing experience. The design focuses on comfort and practicality. Its compact size saves valuable desk space without sacrificing functionality. The ergonomic arc and slope help reduce hand fatigue during long hours of use, making it a solid choice for both gaming marathons and office work. Built to last, the keyboard features a sturdy aviation aluminum alloy panel and splash-proof construction, with floating keycaps crafted from top-grade ABS and metal materials. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows versions from XP through 10, as well as Mac OS X, ensuring seamless plug-and-play across your devices. If you want a reliable keyboard that combines professional-grade mechanical switches, customizable lighting, and ergonomic design, this is worth a look. Users rave about its longevity, with some praising continuous heavy use over several years without any drop in performance. That kind of durability means you get real value. What changes is your typing speed and gaming precision, thanks to the keyboard's fast response and tactile feedback. Ready to upgrade your setup? This mechanical keyboard blends durability, style, and performance in one package. Try it when you're ready to experience faster response times, reduced fatigue, and a keyboard that truly keeps pace with your skills.